When it comes to projectors, some are just devices, and some feel like they were built to transform your space. The InFocus IN136 is definitely in the second category. It's bright, versatile, and surprisingly easy to set up, making it perfect for home entertainment, offices, and classrooms. The first thing that stands out is the brightness. At 4,000 lumens, this projector doesn't shy away from well-lit environments. Whether sunlight streams through a window or lights are fully on, the image remains clear and readable. Colors pop, text stays sharp, and video content comes alive without requiring a darkened room. It's the kind of brightness that makes your content visible and vibrant in almost any setting. The IN136 features WXGA resolution at 1280 by 800 pixels. While not full HD, it provides crisp visuals for presentations, movies, and casual gaming. DLP technology ensures deep contrast and vibrant colors, giving visuals more depth and life compared to standard projectors in this price range. Motion remains smooth, so fast-paced scenes don't feel jittery. Connectivity is where this projector really shines. With 3 HDMI ports, it allows multiple devices to stay connected simultaneously. Laptops, streaming sticks, and gaming consoles can all plug in without constant swapping. There's also a VGA port for older devices, keeping legacy hardware supported. The built-in TechStation is a standout feature. This hidden dock lets you insert devices like streaming sticks or media players inside the projector, keeping cables out of sight for a clean and organized setup. Everything stays tucked away neatly, which is a huge convenience for both home and professional use. This projector is also 3D ready. That means movies and compatible content can pop out of the screen with depth, making movie nights feel more immersive. Wi-Fi readiness adds another layer of flexibility, letting you stream content wirelessly with the right adapter. Audio comes from the built-in speaker. It handles presentations and casual viewing well, though pairing with external speakers is recommended for a more cinematic experience. The projector's fan is quiet and efficient, keeping operation smooth without distracting noise. The build quality feels solid, designed to handle frequent setup and transport without any fuss. Whether it's moved between rooms, classrooms, or conference spaces, it's durable and reliable. Overall, the InFocus IN136 is a versatile and high-performing projector that balances brightness, connectivity, and convenience. It's ideal for home theaters, office presentations, educational use, and casual gaming. With its combination of vivid visuals, multiple inputs, TechStation convenience, and Wi-Fi readiness, it's a practical choice for anyone looking for a bright, flexible, and user-friendly projector. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this InFocus IN136 DLP WXGA 4000 lumens, 3x HDMI, VGA, 3D, and Wi-Fi ready TechStation projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.